Merry Christmas! Introducing Austin!
Hi!
So we are here in the city with Emily and Emily's boyfriend Austin.
That's me.
Also my friend. But but he's never been to the city for Christmas before.
Who's gonna cry, me or him?
You, because you're gonna see the windows at Saks are frozen too, so she's gonna cry.
I already cried once today. I saw a dog on a train.
Men don't cry. Men don't cry.
That's not
Just
true.
kidding.
Okay, now we're gonna go see the Macy's window, so let's go. And I got Starbucks.
I like talking to the camera. Hello.
Okay, let's go see the windows. This is the OG Macy's. And they still have the turkey up from Thanksgiving. Look at that. And the Believe sign.
Believe it.
How do you feel?
It's cool. You know, big towers and such.
What do you think? Futuristic Santa.
What is the thing from SpongeBob?
Oh, yeah. What do you think of Macy's?
It's big and fancy, and they have an outlet. So, like, what's not to like?
Wanted me to film it from up here, so we're riding on the old escalators. You ready for Bryant Park?
Yeah, you talked it up a lot. I hope it's worth it.
Well, I like it, but I'm biased because I work by here, so.
I don't know, it already looks pretty cool. Do they set up lights and stuff at night?
Yeah, they have a tree in the back. Oh, we should go to Melzy's. I need to show you Melzy's. She makes the most adorable drawings. They're like, sketch it. Ooh, okay, let's go.
Okay.
She got a bow bun.
Like in the show.
The like the little.
Look at that.
Wow, that looks so good.
It smells really good.
Okay, I want to get your reaction when you first try it, because you've never had a bow bun before. We've only watched the Pixar short.
I know.
Look, it's the little boy.
I got these, but not because I was gonna use them, just because I wanted them.
We got forks.
Yeah.
We're also getting Bolivian llama party.
Similar to.
Okay. Try it.
I did it.
There's 2 brisket, here's 2 chicken, okay?
What do you think?
That's delicious. Please try it.
I did it.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
That's not the one we came to see, though.
No, but that's a bonus tree. That's a bonus tree.
Bonus tree? Like a bonus track?
Yeah. We're getting dough.
Money.
Batter.
Spending dough.
Literally. We did it.
First time on the subway. Nailed it.
I would like some.
I know. Bath and Body Works, please sponsor this.
The city's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I've only been here like twice, and then the rest of it's just for work, so I've only like driven through it and stuff. So getting the chance to like experience it with cool people, especially Christina, who like knows everything about this place. It's really
I know,
awesome.
I'm really cool.
Yeah, you are really cool. And my girlfriend's really sick too.
Thank you, I got jealous.
And I had to mention her.
She likes the attention.
Well, I mean, you get a little bit. He thinks you're like thebomb.com.
You are.
Because I am. Like you
It's
are.
'cause you're trendy.
But sometimes he goes on these Christina rants and he's like,
I can't.
Christina is so cool. Like she works in the city and like, you know, she just like knows a lot about stuff. And he goes on and then after a while I'm like, I was like, and you're really pretty, like this.
Because I'm just so cool. But
That's what it is.
thank you. Thank you.
But overall, 10 out of 10 for you.
But we're at the sugar factory. We're waiting for our table. We're gonna have some good food and drinks. And then what are we going to see?
The Christmas tree.
We're not going to see Frozen.
We're seeing the frozen windows at Saks.
Oh, yeah.
She's gonna cry.
And we're gonna see the Christmas tree.
And St. Patrick's Cathedral.
Oh, yeah, the big church. Mountain, yeah.
We already saw one Christmas tree in Bryant Park. And now we're gonna go see the bad boy.
It's decorated, right? You said it's all up.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it tastes
How do you feel about the sugar factory?
There's different versions.
It's loud. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this.
Honestly, everybody else's birthday is like a party for me. Like, I'm about it.
Christina, what are you doing?
Christina swiped us through, and then she did the insufficient funds. So, it's over there. But we're through.
Yeah,
I'm
we
paying
made
for
it. Yeah, because we're awesome.
Oh, there she is. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, princess. Welcome to the subway. Oh, she can't get through. Up. Up. Hey, you made it.
I'm so mad at myself. I hate when that happens. Where's the button? I found it. Look at all the pretty lights. But it's up and there's no scaffolding.
I'm just happy about the song.
She's sad because there's no lights. But it's still there.
The star is on top.
Yeah, the Swarovski crystal star is on top.
Yeah, so it's kind of there, you know?
That just means you have to come back.
Yeah. And besides, we came here because I haven't seen a tree before. I'm not even the bummed one. I'm not even bummed. That means we get to come back.
That's true, that's
We
true.
get to come back, relax.
Book off. It's pretty cool.
I love this store.
I like the little pop figure thing.
Yeah, they have, so it's in Manhattan and they have discounted books, movies, like collectible toys, and we're
Did you
in the
find one that you
manga
want?
section.
Austin likes anime stuff and we're in the manga section and he's happy, right?
Yeah, try
Look,
it.
there's
They have all like the Marvel.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love this store. I come here all the time. And upstairs they have like coffee table books, so they have like books on like photography and fashion and all that
we didn't even
stuff.
look at that. We came here.
We can go upstairs if you want.
Oh.
Get the present.
I'm bad at it.
You suck.
What was your favorite part of today?
Today,
Take the camera and tell all about it.
Everyone has to tell their favorite part of today.
my favorite part of today was probably, what was it, Bryant Park? Yeah, Bryant Park was cool. I got I got this really dope painting, and this guy wrote all this crazy stuff on the back.
Very inspirational, crazy stuff.
Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, so anyway, he writes all this cool stuff on the back. So Bryant Park was really cool. I had a great time there, and I probably, aside from every other thing we did today, I would probably say that that bookstore that we went to.
Oh, Book Off.
Book Off, yeah, that was cool because we found this Guitar Hero game I'm trying to get for my little brother. But yeah, so I got him this game. I actually was able to even find the guitar for it too. So, really productive day.
My favorite part of today, I think, was Saks. The windows are really beautiful this year, and they're frozen, and the display on the side of the building is a castle, and they have a Frozen like theme and music and all this stuff, and it makes you feel like you're watching, the fireworks at Disney World.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So that was pretty fun.
I really like that.
Don't cry.
I didn't cry today. So my favorite part of today, I think, in Bryant Park, I tried a bao bun for the first time. That blew my mind. That was delicious. And then we went into this little boutique thing. What's her name?
Melzies.
Melzies. And it is the cutest artwork I've ever seen in my life. And I think I'm going to buy everything on her Etsy store.
She has an Etsy shop. I'll leave a link down below.
It's amazing. And then Christine and I were looking at the blonde and brunette ones, and we're like, oh my god, it's us, besties. But Bryant Park was a lot of fun. I'm bummed about the tree, but Austin's not bummed, and we came here mainly for him.
So we just have to come back.
Yeah, now we get to come back and do it all again.
But for the record, I did not cry. But I did cry that one time on the train when I saw a dog. That's it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Emily and Austin, for being in the vlog.
Alright guys, you heard it here first. Like and subscribe this video, and support Christina because she's awesome. I don't know what to do.
Bye!